Good day, Sir Amar. So, this is the brief explanation of how our incentive chart was done. So, as what you can see here, we have the corresponding groups from the group 1 to group 5. So, we have also the rules. These rules must be followed by the group so that they would be aware of how they are going to get their points and also to behave during the class activity. So we have the corresponding rules here. The first, for the G, give thoughtful feedback, and then respect others and their thoughts. For the O, on task all the time, and use soft voices, and then participate actively and stay with your group. So we have here the group 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, for the group 1, we have its group name, Matgaling, Matalino, Matinik, Matino, and Magician. So, this is how our incentive chart looks like. So, our incentive chart was inspired by the elements of badges. So, we have here the elements of the gold, the silver, as well as the bronze. So, in its categorized row, so we have here 1, 2, and 3, since the highest points that we have in this activity is 15 points, followed by the silver, which equivalent to 10 points, and then the bronze as the 5 points. So as what you can see, there are pictures, there are images of empty badges here. So the mechanics of this activity is that the groups who will participate, or the groups who will gain different points, their points will be put here, and then if the activity was done, we will just sum, or we will just add all of their scores, and then we need to put their total score here in this color green illustration. So we have also here our indicators. So we have the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So the group who will get the highest score will have its equivalent 50 points, followed by 48 points, 45 points for the third placer, and then 4 points for the fourth, and the last group will gain 35 points. So these groups, or these points, will also be graded or be given according also how they behave during, before, and after the activity. So some of the groups also, if they will not follow these rules presented in the left side, so their scores will also deducted, or their scores will also added on how they behave during the class activity. So we have here the outstanding, awesome, great job, warning, timeout, and lose privilege. So we have its corresponding numbers here that we need to add. +3, +2 for the group who answer very well, great job also for the groups who share their thoughts. So we have also this emoticons, emojis, and this will also place here if what will be the total score they will get in the activity. So therefore, this incentive chart will something looks like this if this will be used. So let's say here we have also the badges, the bronze badges, the silver badges, and the gold badges. So bronze for 5 points, 10 points for the silver, and then 15 points for the gold as the highest point. So whose group who will answer, or who will share their thoughts will be graded according to the points, or according to the points that they will earn. So let's say if the group 1 will have the 5 points, so these badges, as what you can see, these badges will I will be going to place it here. So okay, so let's say, okay, So this is it. And then I will just paste it so that it will not and then for the second also we have also the silver. So the silver, let's say the group 4 will have the 10 points, so therefore I will automatically get this badge and place it here. And then for the last one, we'll just have to get, this is the badge for the gold. So the gold has its equivalent of 15 points. So the groups or the group who will get the equivalent points of this gold is it is the highest, as I've said. So I will just going to place where the groups who answer correctly the question. We'll just put it here. And then so that is how our incentive chart looks like, and it will be used for our teaching demonstration in the future. So since their total score here is leave blank, so therefore I will just, you need to sum up all of their scores and then just place it here and then here and for the following. So that's all for our explanation, and this is Heatherly Olores presented our incentive chart. Thank you.